Welcome back. We're on episode 3 of Cooking with the Murphys. Tonight, Erica's making chicken fried rice. Get it in ya. Bring that water to a boil and get the margarine in the pot. Now we're going to add the rice. Make sure you got the good kind. The 5-minute rice is the best. This is a different kind of fluffing that I'm used to from Erica. Look at her go. She's no rookie at handling that meat. Get that soy sauce in the pot, youngster. I loves a bit of garlic. Get those fresh frozen veggies in there. Look at the speed. I promise we never sped up the video. Jesus, missus, would you slow down? I can't keep up with you. Make sure you use the stickiest pot possible. Once it's all stuck to the pot, give it a good stir and add the chicken. Add that 5-minute rice to the mix. Mix her all up. Add an extra ton of that soy sauce. And she's ready to eat. Erica's international dish. Yummy. Bad taste test.
Why can you find what my
How much out of 10 is it?
one?
Oh,
1.
1. Perfect.
7.6.